In this video, I will show you how to fix purchase has not been completed error on Steam. Steam might be experiencing temporary issues. Wait for 30 minutes and try the purchase again. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it, restart your device and try again. Your bank may limit online transactions or spending amounts. Verify that your CVV or CVC code is correct. Ensure your card details, including address, postal code, country, and phone number, are accurate. Check with your bank for flagged transactions due to suspicious activity. Make sure your card is not expired. Update and save your payment details in Steam. Click Continue and try making the purchase again. That's it. Your Steam purchase should now go through successfully if you follow those steps. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.